Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Victoria and this is my look for today. It's very blue, you know, I was feeling my blue today. So if you guys like this video, enjoy this video, go ahead, please like, share, subscribe. It'll help a lot for me. And don't forget to turn on the little bell up there just so you guys can get that notification that I post a new video. This is it, guys. Enjoy. Bye. Alright guys, let's get to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my Vaseline. Because you know, girl can't be trapped. No honey, not out here. Alright, so today I'm gonna do blue. I've been feeling blue and I keep saying, I was like, I wanna do blue, I wanna do blue. So you know what, today's the day I'm gonna do blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my favorite Olay moisturizer. Just take a little bit because my face is a little oily, and especially now, I do live in Florida, so it's oily, you know, but I'm gonna go ahead and just take a little bit, and that's it, you know. Just moisturize my face, not so much, because I'm gonna prime my face too. So go ahead and use the e.l.f. Mineral Infuser. So just take a little bit. Ahead and start with my eyebrows. So I'm gonna use the e.l.f. pencil, which I like too. Let me just go ahead and brush it up. I hope you guys had a wonderful Mother's Day. I enjoy my time with my family. Hung out, got flowers. I was gonna cook, but I just ordered out. I was like, I'm not cooking. Plus, that was my pre-birthday celebration. Yesterday was my birthday, guys. And I'm not gonna tell you my age. Now, if you guys can guess my age, I'm gonna guys send you a little surprise. If you guys can guess my age, because never thought, well, not never thought, but I saw I was like so far away. I remember when I was like 18, I was like, hey, wait, so I could leave the house and do whatever I want and blah, blah, blah. Child, please. I want to go back home. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put concealer under my eyebrows. I know my eyebrow looks too thick and dark, but relax, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna use the e.l.f. small angle brush. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Pro Concealer medium beige. The Urban Decay eye primer. Just take a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and use I really like this palette. I've been playing a lot with the colors, which I enjoy it. So I'm gonna go use the Morphe James Charles palette. I'm gonna start with Playground. work around it. But we'll see. Be right back, guys. Woo! That's blue. That is blue. Ooh. Use my Fenty foundation. My beauty blender is already pretty much wet, and I just like to put it here on top of my, so I don't know how much I'm putting. And I really like this foundation. And I don't go so much under my eyes just because I'm gonna put concealer. So I try to stay away as much as I can under my eyes. This foundation has awesome coverage, guys. I mean, for me, I have oily skin, so I like it just because it doesn't, it's a matte. It's really matte. But where I get really oily is more like on my T-zone. And I hate it sometimes, especially like if I'm outside. I need to have like a paper towel, like tapping on my face, I swear. It can get annoying sometimes if you have oily skin. And if you have oily skin, you understand me. And if you don't, good for you. I feel like I have a small forehead. So whatever I have left on my beauty blender, I just go ahead and put it. Use the Too Faced. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Fenty loosening powder. I'm gonna use the honey, and I'm gonna go. Sorry, my fan is on. I'm gonna go take the Anastasia mahogany powder with my angle brush that I have. So from here. my highlighter, I'm gonna use the Juvia's Novia, and I'm literally gonna just take whatever's in the at the cap because it's so pigmented. Literally, like, if I want, I could just take more, but I just take whatever's on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Morphe Pop Fuchsia. I really like this blush. Amazing. And I like to just go hot with Edge. So pretty. I like to use both to get that going. You guys, am I the only one who puts that ugly face like? Go ahead and use the NYX pencil, the Jur 30W. I like this brown. I'm gonna use my NARS stripped, and I'm just gonna literally just take a little bit because I don't want so much. I'm gonna end it with my all-nighter. Get that in. All right, guys, so this is the final look of my tutorial.